delay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be part of my life, go ahead and follow me on socials. You know what I realized that I've never tried? I never tried doing like full Korean eye makeup. I feel like mine is very like blended with American, but I follow a lot of like Korean makeup artists. So I was like, wait, I wonder how that would look like on me. Because I look at it and it doesn't really feel like my vibe, but you never know until you try. Sorry, I'm like kind of yapping right now, but when I go to Korea, people know that I'm not from Korea by the way I dress, by the way I do my makeup. So let me go ahead and try a makeup that people in Korea are gonna be fooled that I'm from Korea. Okay, let's get started. Oh wait, I didn't do eyebrows. I just realized. Okay, we'll first go with the eyebrows. My hair is very black and I'm very cool tone, so it would be preferable to have like a little bit of darker eyebrows, but I feel like Koreans always have like 1 to 2 shades lighter than their hair color. So let me go ahead and do slightly lighter today. Do I even have a light color? Ooh. Oh, this is very light. Oh. Okay, I've decided to go with my second one right there. A little bit more like brown ashy. I'm gonna go pretty natural with it. Koreans don't really define their eyebrows. It's more about filling it in. And they are not about arched eyebrows. So I'll try to make it like straight as possible from like the shape that I have. But Korean brands in general comes out very lightly, which is good. Okay, I try to make it straight as possible. This one too. Okay, I made the brows slightly more straight than what I usually do. Okay, now moving on to eyeshadow. I feel like they really like putting like light pink or light like peach on top of their eyes. So now I'm debating over these 3 palettes because I feel like these are very light, not too pigmented, and they have a really good range of like pinky colors. I think I'm gonna use this one because this pink is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go with this light pink color. And now with the same color, I'm just gonna do the whole bottom side as well, kind of like connect it. So now we're gonna put on the main color, which is gonna be this one right here, slightly brownish. Well, especially for monolids, Koreans like to put a lot of color right here to give the tweet effect. But because our top doesn't show too well, we like to bring all the focus to the bottom of the eye so that it could enlarge in the eyes, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and put in the outer corner only. And 양 조절, portion control is so important here again because, as I said, Korean palettes are very not pigmented. They are very light. So if you're using American brands, you should kind of like 덜어 it. Okay, now for the top eyeshadow, unlike me, Koreans don't really like to put dark eyeshadow on the top because it makes it look like a smoky eye makeup, when Koreans is all about like natural looking makeup. So for now, this is it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner. I'm going to use a gel liner because Koreans like to have a little bit more of a softer look with the eyeliner. No like sharp wings, no too catty. So I chose number 2 espresso latte. So it's not black. It's kind of more brown. Okay, now with the shape, I'm gonna start with the wings first. They don't like to wing it up. They like to follow their natural eye shape. So from here, I'm just gonna bring it down. Just like that. Now this is where the makeup gets really different from my daily makeup. And also they don't pull out their wing too much, but I low-key feel like I pulled out a little bit too much. But it's okay. Now let me go ahead and kind of fill up the front as well. Okay, I see why Koreans go for a softer eyeliner look because it definitely is way more natural. Like the transition from the eyelid to the eyeliner. And then Koreans are all about tweet-tweam and up-tweam. So let me go ahead and go a little bit on the inner corner as well. I'm not too used to this face right now. And now from here, of course, we can't miss out on our 애교살. Squint! Okay, now with the other side, I'm gonna brighten up the fat. And then brighten up the inner corner as well. Because Koreans don't put glitter in the inner corner, but I am so used to putting glitter in the inner corner, so I'm just gonna brighten up for today. All right, there it is. Oh, I'm looking like those girls. Okay, now is the time to glitter up. Koreans are all about the glitter, you know, the 애교살 glitter, but they like thicker glitters. So I'm gonna go with the thickest one right there. And for placement, they only like to do it in the center right there. Wait, the glitter is not as thick as I expected it to be. So 진짜 오랜만에, it's been so long since I put this one, but I'm gonna put like liquid glitter. 대박. Okay, now the last step for the eyeshadow. They like to blend the eyeliner with like a darker eyeshadow color to make it even more natural from this. I'm gonna mix these two colors. And now you see more of a natural transition versus this. Okay, that is how the eyes are looking. And we're gonna move on to the eyelashes, which is the last part of this tutorial. I feel like it 은근 looks okay on me. Very simple, but it complements my eyes. Like it's really showing off the monolids. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I feel like this was like way more like low maintenance. I would definitely go out like this. I will go out like this today. But anyways, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.